Okay, hi there Year 10s. This is the last compulsory video of this topic, so let's make the most of it and let's savour it. So we're looking at solving quadratics, and here we have a quadratic that is not in brackets, so it's different from the last one that we looked at. So we can't solve this unless we put it into brackets. So let's start as we always have by writing out the question. So our next step is going to be to factorise this into brackets, and this is the reason why we've spent so long learning how to factorise. So we'll write x at the start of each equation, and then we're looking for two numbers that add to 8 and multiply to 8 and add to -6. And so I'm thinking we're probably going to have something like well, let's write it out because I'm not sure. So we could have 8 and 1, except one of them, both of them would have to be negative. We could have 4 and 2, and that's about it. Okay, so -4 minus 2, that's -6, so that would work. So we're going to have -4 and -2. Okay, so remember from last time, once we get to here, we've got that either or statement to say. So either our first bracket has to be equal to 0, because we've got two things timesing to make 0, or our second bracket has to be equal to 0. And so now we're going to solve each bracket independently. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides, and so we get x equals 4 for that one. And over here I'm going to add 2 to both sides, and so we're going to get x equals 2 for that one. And we'll just write or there to show that we've got two possible solutions to this problem. Okay, so in these situations, factorise first, and then once it's factorised, it's just like the other problems that we've been doing. So you need to practice some of these on exercise 11.16. Just do the evens, please. And this is the last compulsory part of this topic.